the most important thing about my book and about my work is to let people know that there are Jews in Poland, and that there actually is a generation unexpected, a generation that began emerging after the fall of communism against everybody's wildest expectations, and following numerous predictions about the end of Polish Jewry. So I think third generation is I guess symbolic of what's been happening in Poland since the democratic changes. I think there's a lot of pressure on the third generation, because we are the people that are expected to make sure that this revival isn't fake, that it's authentic. I think that as third generation, the fact that we're often questioned by Jews abroad, by non-Jews here, by older generations of Jews here, and the fact that we have to respond to all of those questions and doubts about us and about Jewish life in Poland and the future of Jewish life in Poland, and the fact that we have to come up every day with thousands of answers and responses to those questions, I think that makes us a very vital community. And I think that's where our strength lies, in the fact that we're not figured. We're constantly in the process of becoming.